Okay, bought one of these dash cams, Qvia. It's it already mounted in the middle of the windscreen there. Pretty basic. It's just got a double-sided tape, 3M tape that holds the little base to the windscreen. Just set it up into the middle there. As usual, I didn't read the instructions. I just winged it, and I ran into a little bit of trouble with getting the Wi-Fi set up, but that's the purpose of this video. Anyway, that's it already mounted there. I've gone for the accessories setup rather than the hardwired, just because I haven't got a hardwired kit with it. That's the box there, so I basically unboxed it, just flicked through the instructions, and I set up the cigarette lighter plug. Just hid the cord so it goes underneath the dash there, up through here, around the corner there, and along the windscreen. Pretty basic setup. That where it plugs into the top of the unit up here, just make sure that that's pushed in nice and tight. Anyway, to set up the Wi-Fi, what you got to do is when you turn it on, you have to press this little button there. That activates the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi light is the middle one. It's just here. You can't really see it, sorry, because of the sun. Yeah, that little light will go out just after startup unless you press this button. When you press that button there, it activates the Wi-Fi. And you just go to Wi-Fi settings on your phone and pair it, and it's 8 ones. So that's what the password is. Well, that's what it was defaulted on mine anyway. And yeah, so I'll just give you a demo of the lights as well. The first light's the GPS light. That will come on and stay on when you've got a good strong GPS signal. And the middle one's the Wi-Fi, of course. And that other one is the ADAS, that's the driver assistance software. And I haven't set that up just as yet, but it's pretty good little unit. So, well, I'll just put it on accessories and I'll see what I mean by the lights. So that's accessories coming on now. Let me just get rid of that beep. There. Now you see that middle light's not blinking.
Drive safely. Recording started.
There we go. So it's doing something. It's recording. Yeah, if I press that little button, there we go. See, now it's blinking. Now I just need to go to my Wi-Fi on my phone and pair it like you would going to any other Wi-Fi system, and then it's all happy days. And you just use your Qvia app that you downloaded from the App Store, and get in there and fiddle around with the settings and all that sort of gizmo. So cheers, hope that's helped.